What's up, New Vision? It's Jessica.
And I'm Amber. Welcome to this week's edition of In the Mix. The Thanksgiving feast is coming up. It's a time where New Vision opens its doors to feed the community. This day is filled with a lot of love, care, and giving hearts. We're actually looking for people to donate non-perishable food items, which can be a canned good, a prepackaged beverage, or even an instant meal. 1 Corinthians 2:9, no eye has seen, no ear has heard, no mind has conceived what God has prepared for those who love Him. Keep listening as Jessica fills you in with more important details.
Collecting all canned goods and non-perishable food items have already begun. If you have yet to donate, do so today. Remember, all ministries are required to bring in 6 bags. The due date is November 16th between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. in the Teen Den. In addition, we need all hands on deck. All ministries and members are needed to volunteer for this day. So please, sign up in the vestibule. Also, do note that the Thanksgiving feast will occur on Saturday, November 23rd, 12 to 4 p.m. Come join us with exciting and new ideas and experiences. For more information, contact Brenda Wright, April Stanley, or Brittany Cogdell, or you can visit nvim.org.
Sunday Academy is back. If you haven't been attending, it's not too late to be a part of the growth, anointing, and fellowship. Class runs promptly from 8 to 9 a.m. on Sunday mornings. Can't wait to see you there.
Curious as to why you see pink so often this month? Well, it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Here is an In the Mix info fact. Breast cancer is the most common cancer among African American women. Our healthcare ministry has teamed up with St. Vincent Swim Women's Imaging Center to offer free mammogram screenings directly after service on November 3rd. There will be a van parked outside of New Vision from 12:30 to 4 p.m. Please come prepared with a prescription from your healthcare provider. If you need assistance obtaining a prescription, contact Sandy Ko. Ladies, do not miss out on this free opportunity. For additional information, please visit our website.
Hey New Vision family, if you will be celebrating a birthday between now until December, listen up. Please contact Elder Mac so that he can add your information to the birthday calendar. He can be reached via email at mackeisha101@gmail.com. If you missed any of our announcements today, no need to worry. You can visit our website for additional information. Go to nvim.org.
Thank you for watching this week's edition of In the Mix, where we keep you informed, inspired, and in the mix. God bless, and have a brilliant and productive day.